Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken pulao, easy method. Start by rinsing rice and patting chicken dry to remove excess moisture. I walk you through a simple spice tempering, browning the chicken, and layering rice for gentle steaming. Follow my timing and liquid ratios for consistent results every time. This method keeps flavors balanced and cleanup minimal, so you can enjoy a comforting meal without fuss. In this video, I will explain how to make chicken pulao, easy method. Measure and prep ingredients before you start to streamline cooking. Heat oil, fry whole spices until aromatic, then sauté onions until golden for depth. Add ginger and garlic, sear chicken to lock flavor, then stir in rinsed rice and stock. Cover and simmer gently until rice is tender and chicken is cooked through for an effortless, satisfying meal. In this video, I will help you make chicken pulao, easy method. Begin with a hot pan for tempering, then brown chicken briefly so it stays juicy. Layer in rinsed rice, pour in 3 cups stock, and bring to a gentle simmer before covering. Let the pot cook undisturbed on low heat to allow steam to finish the rice and meld flavors. Finish with fresh herbs and a light fluffing for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.